Hello everyone, welcome to XTOOL Tech. Here is Ada. Today we would like to introduce our product PS90 to you. Let's take BMW X3 F25 series battery replacement as an example. Okay, let's begin. First, we need to select the car model BMW. And then automatic selection. Yes. Service. Body. And then power supply. Battery. Register battery replacement. Here we can see there are 3 selections and we are making register battery replacement, so we choose the second one and then first one. Original BMW component. Yes. Okay. Yes. This step needs us enter the metric code, and you can find the code on the label of the new original battery, so input the code. Just delete all and then enter the code. Okay. Please wait. Okay. The service function finished. That's all. Okay, we just finished the original BMW battery replacement. Now let's begin to make non-original battery replacement. The first several steps are the same, so let's begin from this step. Battery, we just choose register battery replacement. The second one, first one. This is not an original BMW component, so we choose no. Please wait. Okay, service function finished. That's all. If you are interested in our products, welcome to contact us, and you also can visit our website